Now direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military fashion in which the 6th demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 6, the opposing solo from Wamego, Kansas, Lieutenant Commander Brandon Hippler. Flying Blue Angel number 5, the lead solo from Kennesaw, Georgia, Lieutenant Tyler Davies. Flying Blue Angel number 4, the slot pilot from Danville, California, Lieutenant Commander Nate Scott. Flying Blue Angel number 3, the left wingman from Memphis, Tennessee, Major Jeff Mullins. Flying Blue Angel number 2, the right wingman from Fremont, California, Lieutenant Commander Damon Cruz. And flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer and flight leader of the Blue Angels from Lee City, Texas, Commander Eric Doyle.